Namaste and welcome to German Ingredient and Indian Soul. In this video, I am going to show you the photographs of common things available in German market that can be used in Indian cooking. You can get many different kind of basmati rice in German grocery store. They can be cheap or costly. Also in international foods section, you can get some kind of curry sauces. You can get chutney and achar also in German markets. Papad is called papadam and it's available in almost all the international section of supermarket. Chickpeas are called kikharapsen and it is also available everywhere. Then the dalia is also known as couscous and bulgur, and it is also available in oriental section. You can get coconut cream and coconut milk. Then I also got this black eyed peas. From Al Natura you can get rice flakes so that you can make namkeen or other things. Also to make jam, and we have gelling sugar and it can be of different proportions. You can get lohe ki kadai or iron pan. Also the baking powder is called bak pulvar and baking soda is called Kaiser natron. Then you can use kafi sahne or schlag sahne as cream. Instead of condensed milk, you can buy condensed milk from German market, and also milkmaid is available by the name of Milchmädchen. You can use amaranth or rajgira. It is usually present in puffed in every DM or Rusman. Also with haldi wala doodh you can get curcuma latte. This is yogurt, and sometimes you get flattened bread that you can use as a pav. You can use kikharapsen, and also butter is called butter. So friends, this episode ends here, and we will meet again with the more detailed episodes of German Ingredient and Indian Soul. Bye bye.